Hi everyone, I'm Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy, and today is Friday, December 6th at about 4:30. It's been a hell of a run in the market, hasn't it? But it started long before the election. Yes, they have piled on after the election, but it started long before. There have been some wonderful runners and there have been some big losers too. One of the first things that we emphasize is being able to kill the losers. No negative outliers. There's been tremendous opportunity this past year. Have you tackled it? Have you exploited it? I hope you'll indulge me these few minutes because we very well may be able to change your trading life. Let me show you something. This tool is from Stock Market Caddy, SMC Stock Market Caddy, the Swing Machine Plus. It is an algorithm. Some 800 lines of code. Doesn't use moving averages, doesn't use stochastics or MACDs. It uses original proprietary code. And it is running on TradeStation's proprietary tool called Radar Screen. You can only get Radar Screen at TradeStation, and you can only get the Swing Machine Plus from Stock Market Caddy. Now I want to show you the performance looking back an entire year of Swing Machine, but I also want to show you the versatility of this tool. When we edit, we can change the subject matter from futures to false, and then to stocks as true, and then dollars per trade. Now to make it interesting, we put 25,000, but maybe you would want to just put $1,000 or 5,000. Maybe you want to use options, but for now, we've put in $25,000, which means when we come back to Swing Machine and look at the P&L column, it will be based on a $25,000 investment or trade, either long or short. So let's hit OK and take you back. Now, by the way, this is all pre-sorted. You see, you can have this pre-sorted. If we come here to Settings, we come to Page. We can do a few things in here. First, we can put in bear with me, a reference row. That'll give numbers off to the side. Then we can sort. And we're going to sort the first column, which is the percent return, which is this column. And we're going to do it from high to low. We want to know what stocks have generated the highest percentage return real time. Now it's a daily signal, but it's going to sort going all the way back many days. Because the next column that we're going to sort, and we can sort as many as 4, but we're going to sort the second one, is the signal age in bars. How many days has it been long? How many days has it been short? So let me hit OK, and let me show you. The top stock today, as of today, is a stock by the name of Palantir, PLTR. Swing Machine went long 87 days ago. 87 days ago. At 4 p.m. on just August 6th. The entry price was $26.59. If you had put $25,000 into that trade, you would be up 188.04%. Your trade purse would be totaling $46,775.10. That is a beautiful thing. This is the signal column. We're either long, or we could be long but dipping, as this one is. What stock is that? Texas. Looks like Texas Limited. It's dipping, but it went long 189 days ago. That's what that means. And you can see the others for what they are. But down here we have a red one. This means that Moderna went short 114 days ago. Now, you don't have to short, but if you had shorted $25,000 worth of stock at 121.18 at 4 p.m. on June 27th, you would be up some 63% or 15,831.82. Now, if you chose not to short and you had been long for some reason, and you had taken this signal to get out of your long position, then you would have saved your some 63% of a downturn. Beautiful. Now, there's much more information over here from a trader's point of view, but let's just stay focused on the return. What you might want to know, looking back, is out of the 500 S&P stocks, and by the way, I think they're all this year. In fact, we can look at the date too. They're all this year. All of these will go down, will slide down. We've been long and short, but look, percent return is profitable, profitable, profitable. Now, as we go down, they are scaling down. It's not as profitable, but long and short. And it's all this year, folks, all this year. Keep coming down, and we get down to the yellow ones, which means that we will be flat. So out of the S&P 500, we are profitable in approximately 424, give or take. The label row maybe 423. The yellow ones mean that we are flat. We're neither up nor down. So considering that, we are up or flat in 433 out of 500. And then, yes, we are experiencing some drawdowns on these signals. And if you had put $25,000 in these trades, and they all would have been this year, some 25 days, 3 days, you would be down this much money, a drawdown. And we get all the way down to the bottom. And the worst one is Akamai. It's a short, and it's run against the short, and it's down 9.72%. A beautiful tool. This tool could be on your desktop in December of next year. There will be of directional changes in the S&P 500. There will be new longs and there will be new shorts. The question is for you, how are you going to know what is long, what is short, what is coming, what is going? If you want to get away from all the noise, from all the media and all the talking heads, the originators of fake news, the financial media, cancel all of your other subscriptions and rely on you, because you can get a view of Swing Machine every night as a monthly member. And we are going to do some things next year to max everyone's time. But if you really want to push the envelope and get Swing Machine plus everything else that we have on your desktop, you can do that too in what we call an annual membership. Feel free to give me a call. I'm Bagger Don. This is Stock Market Caddy. You can reach me any day between the hours of 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. 813-758-8263. We wish you the best, everyone. Call anytime.